Good evening, everyone. The criminal investigation into this summer's deadly boating accident inside the Lockport Caves is closed tonight after Lockport police tell us they will not be filing charges.
Our Dylan Morello talked to Lockport's mayor about the future of the cave and reaction from a man who was on that terrible boat tour 5 months ago.
It has been almost 5 months since a Niagara Falls business owner was killed and 11 other passengers were injured at the Lockport Caves. And with today's closing of the criminal investigation, the future of the business is still unclear.
The owners, I believe, hope to be able to reopen at full capacity at some point. We're thankful that one part of this tragedy is behind us, but unfortunately there's also, civil litigation that's happening.
The criminal investigation is now closed, and the ride remains shuttered since the tragic incident on June 12th. But there are more legal battles on the horizon. The family of Harshad Shah, the man who died in the incident, as well as others on the boat at the time it capsized, filed notices of claim against the Lockport Cave Company, county and state agencies, and the city of Lockport.
In order to put this and so that they can move forward, it has to go through the insurance and court process, and so that's where they're at right now with the civil litigation.
Robert Pecoraro, who was on the boat, says he hopes to see change before the cave puts another vessel in the water.
I don't know what the rules and regulations are as far as what the police department was looking at, but I do know that there was no safety briefing before we got on the boat. There were no life preservers on that boat, and there was no accounting for weight and balance.
In our past reporting, we found a lack of inspections for the boat ride, even after a similar incident happened in 2015. If the cave does reopen in the future, plans now are in motion to put the state in charge of yearly inspections and code enforcement.
State legislature at the Senate and Assembly have a bill in committee to have it be oversight through New York State Parks. Hopefully they'll get that passed and the governor will sign that, and then they'll have some true oversight and then ensure public safety.
If there is oversight, then I don't have a problem with them reopening, but only if there's oversight and anything that perhaps was in the report was corrected.
Now, the Lockport police did state that if additional information should arise in the future, they will review it and see if it warrants a reopening of the investigation. Reporting at the Lockport Cave, Dylan Morello, News 4.